ano tayo sa ano, paliligo tayo sa sopa.
Paliligo tayo sa sopa. The cross sama-sama, purihin natin siya. Ikaw at ikaw ay matating.
So for this 4K, meaning artificial is fake. Okay. Number one choice. You just have to remove one letter. Number one choice. Three, one. So leave it fire. Second Friday of the month. Kasi yan yung sa amin, yung inyong routine. Actually, buo na yung sa kusina. Ang inaayos lang namin.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Para tayong open basket. So, hindi tayo ready. So, dapat mag-create tayo ng mga strong leaders na willing to conduct Bible studies. And we encourage you to do that. Okay? So, walang pastor na ayaw kayo ng Bible study. We want you to have Bible studies. That's the goal. But we just want you to be prepared. Kasi it can make or break. You know, si Satan, nag-aantay lang yan ng